Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Ghost Whey Protein in the fruity cereal milk flavor. So we have this tub here and I'm actually digging it a lot. Per scoop it has 120 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbohydrates, with one of these being sugar, and 25 grams of protein. So it contains whey protein isolate 90%, whey protein concentrate 80%, and it's kind of like half and half of each of those, and then a hydrolyzed whey protein isolate as well for 2.5 grams of protein, and then a few different enzymes to help break down the protein. That's something that's pretty cool about the Ghost proteins, is that they are a little bit better for digestion because they get stuff to help out with that. So mix one scoop well in 1 to 2 cups of liquid, water, juice, etc. I chose cashew milk. I usually use cashew milk or almond milk for my protein shakes. Immediately before consumption daily with a meal or is directed by a healthcare practitioner. If cow brown cells broken, missing, do I use, etc., etc. So Ghost Lifestyle Protein. I'm going to give a little review on it here. I got myself a little cup of cashew milk to make sure that it is up to my standard, because we only put good things in our body here. And the Ghost is some of the best. Thanks for cashew milk. Love the taste, consistency, texture, etc. So we're going to do like 2 scoops of it because that's the way you take protein around here. I usually do 2 scoops of protein. It's not necessary because it does contain 25 grams per scoop, but I like to get a little extra protein and the flavor too, because that's important as well. So I mix this up here. And it's usually pretty easy to mix. Like, it doesn't take a whole lot of shaking. This stuff breaks down pretty quickly in a liquid, so you can get right to drinking it. There's a nice thick texture, probably because I'm using a couple scoops. I found with cashew milk, it's also very thick, so it's the perfect texture for a protein shake. And this tastes spot on like Fruit Loops. Like, it's called fruity cereal milk, so think of it like having a bowl of Fruit Loops and just leaving the milk there. That's kind of what it tastes like. I'd say it's a little bit stronger than just cereal milk. It kind of tastes like the cereal too. Like if you were to blend up, which sounds gross, a bowl of Fruit Loops and put it into protein shake, that's kind of what it tastes like. And it's good though. Like, I really do like this protein, and it tastes like, the taste's amazing. Everything Ghost does with the proteins is just spot on perfect. So I'm a really big fan of this one here. I usually like the Fruit Loop kind of flavored protein powders. There's a few other ones out there, and I think Ghost does it best. Consistency, texture to it, and the flavor, all perfect. So I really like this protein powder. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it an 8 to an 8.5. Somewhere in that range is pretty good. It does taste spot on like Fruit Loops. So if you don't like Fruit Loops, you might not like this protein. But if you love Fruit Loops, you're probably going to love this protein. So go check it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.